Hello Ahmed, I'm me from Marwa Properties. We noticed you were looking at Noor at JVC earlier. Do you have any questions about it that I can answer for you?
Yeah, I had a couple of questions. Is it close to any schools or hospitals?
Yes, it's located within a convenient distance of several schools and hospitals. It's about 15 minutes from JSS International School and approximately 20 minutes from Mediclinic Parkview Hospital. Would you like more details on nearby amenities?
No, I would like to know what's the payment plan exactly.
Certainly. For Noor at JVC, you pay just 10% for booking, followed by 1% monthly for 60 months. There's no mortgage and no interest. Does that sound interesting to you?
I was wondering, do you have any two-bedroom villas available or are those only apartments?
Thanks for asking, Ahmed. Noor at JVC primarily offers apartments, but we do have two-bedroom villas available in other locations. Would you like me to share some options for two-bedroom villas that might interest you?
Just send me the brochures for both now and I'll decide.
Sure, Ahmed. Would you like me to WhatsApp you the brochures and floor plans for both Noor at JVC and the two-bedroom villa options we discussed?
Yeah, please do.
Perfect. I'll send those over to you right away. Thanks for your time, Ahmed.